This one strategy is gonna provide you an unlimited flow of leads and conversions for your business, and if you apply it well, the 3 steps that I'm going to share with you today are gonna transform in the best tool for attracting and convert leads and clients for your business. Some years younger, I had a very common problem in a male teenager. I had no idea about how to flirt with a woman. I tried with my best intentions, by the way, but I always was a failure. I was always a failure flirting until I realized that I was doing something very wrong. And it is that I was talking to the wrong audience. Realize this. You know exactly who is the woman or the man that you feel attracted for in the group, but you are doing everything that that person do not feel attracted to. That was exactly the mistake that I was doing. And that has been the mistake that I made for a lot of years. Flirting with a woman but struggling with attracting clients for my business too. You need to know what that person is attracted to, because a person is not gonna turn a lead and next client of your business if what you communicate to them and what you can do for them do not match with what they are already looking for right now. You do not need to educate the customer, you need to understand them, speak their same language, and help him or help her to advance with you. You can know exactly all of this about your potential clients when you have an ideal customer profile or an ideal buyer persona profile. And I am gonna provide you a way to build exactly the perfect ideal customer profile for your business. But right now, these are the 3 essential parts of your ideal customer profile that if you know them and if you use this information well, you are going to flirt successfully with them, you are going to attract them and convert them into customers at a bigger rate than what you are doing right now. The first relevant thing that you need to know about the ideal customer that buys the product or service that you sell in your business is: what are the challenges he is currently facing? What are the struggles? What are the problems? What are the doubts, the needs, or what does he want but he do not have yet? The best ways to investigate this are asking to clients that you already have, listen the comments that they make to you or your sales team when selling, or if you have not clients yet, you can evaluate your competition and other businesses that are being more successful than yours and see what are the problems and needs that they are proposing to solve for their actual clients. With this information, you are gonna be capable of writing a list of the major problems and needs that you have to offer to solve as a business. This ideal customer of yours is gonna see these proposals like something very relatable with them, and they are going to be more moved to be interested in your proposal and even think about to buy that solution to their need that is your product or service. The second more important information that you need to know about your buyer persona to attract them and persuade them to convert is: what do they not want? What they do not like? What will make them feel rejection about something? This is not the stuff that you need to focus on. This is the stuff that you need to know that you have to avoid if you do not want that people reject you, your business, and your products and services. If you relate yourself and the business with what they do not like or do not agree with, if you speak or use a language that they do not like, if the design or the image of your brand is different to the one that they associate with the values and interests that they are connected to, then they will feel an inexplicable rejection which will make them not being interested in knowing more about your products and services, or will even make them try very hard not to be associated with your brand. And the third more important information to communicate your business and yourself successfully with your ideal customer, and that most probably can require me to help you directly with my one-on-one business coaching to identify it and build it in the right way, is: What are the morals and beliefs of that ideal customer that you want to attract in more quantity and convert into your client? Environmentalism is all the rage right now, but what if your ideal customer likes and believes in the exact opposite? You need to know and promote it. Do you need to create a more masculine or feminine brand? Does your ideal customer have deep spiritual concerns, or does he or she prefer to live in the moment? Does he like modern or classic? You see, knowing the exact morals and beliefs of your ideal buyer persona for your business is gonna help you to flirt better with them. It will help you to know what words exactly do you need to use in your communication to connect with these people using the same language, objects, coloring style, icons, symbols, or other resources and elements that people admire, value, and respect, helping you earn their admiration, respect, and valuing your products and services because they are related with everything that they actually appreciate. Knowing these 3 blocks of information about your ideal customer is amazingly valuable to help you to convince them to be honestly interested in what you offer and making easier their decision of buying from you. So make your notes, review this video, and put detail in what these 3 blocks of information are about your ideal customer for your business. The guidance of an experienced business coach can help you to go straight to what actually works when using this information in your business to reach more potential clients, attract them, and connecting with them so deeply that they are going to buy from you. And you can find a link in the description to apply to a business coaching session with me, where we can find out together how to scale your business and improve your income. Using this information properly actually provide results for your business, as it does for me and for every business that you admire or that is obtaining better results than what you are doing right now. Don't be frozen by this information. Take the next step. Click on the link in the description and we'll talk soon.